I think I'm just gonna roam the fields today, since I'm a cat. Yeah, so let's go. You know, it's nice being a cat. You can just wander around, not have to worry about a thing in the way. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Did you see that thing? I don't know what the heck that was. I don't know what the heck that was. I think I'm just gonna drop dead now. Oh no, Fuzzball, are you okay? Fuzzball. Yeah, I just pretended to faint. Why? Oh, you're roaming the meadows too? Well, after I heard you scream. Oh. What's the matter? I seen this weird looking animal, and it was so scary. You mean that animal over there? What? Ah! Oh my gosh, Fuzzball, no! It's okay. No, I don't want to. Fuzzball, get over here. Oh my gosh, Fuzzball. Stand still. Okay. There's nothing to worry about. I will prove you. I will show you that it is nothing. Now, where is it? Over there. Over there. Okay, I'm gonna go get it. No, don't die! I'm not gonna die. No. Stand there. Oh, stand. I want you to stand there while I go look at the animal, okay? Okay. Are you talking about this animal? Yeah! That's so scary. 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 I need to pop open. Okay, there we go. Don't let it go. Let it go, Blossom. Don't touch it. It's okay. I'm fine. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's an animal. Wait a second. Exactly. I know. Run. This is our kind. It's a cat. We're cats. Oh, really? Yes. Okay, then come back over here. Okay. No, not with the cat. Stay there with the cat. No, Fuzzball, it's fine. Come here, little kitty.